In today's video, we are going to make Ankara tote bag, and these are the materials we'll be using. Ankara fabric, tape roll, scissors, this is interfacing, and this is lining. The measurement for the bag we are making will be 22.5 inches by 14.5 inches. So you fold your fabric so that you get the midpoint. Then from this point, you're going to measure 3.2 inches. You mark it. From this other point also, you're going to measure 3.2 inches. So this is where we'll be fixing the handle for this bag. We're going to do the same measurement for this side. And for the angle of the bag, this is the bridal satin that we're using. I'd already ironed interfacing in this bridal satin. I stitch it on one part. So let's measure it. 16 inches by 1.2 inches. So I'm going to stitch it here. I'm going to stitch, and I'm going to stitch the other side of the handle. Change the handle of the bag. And you're going to take your lining. It should be same measurement with your fabric. 22.5 inches by 14.5 inches. We are going to stitch going to leave space here where we can turn inside out and you stitch the rest of the bag. Stitching, you're going to turn your bag inside out from this opening. And when that is done, we'll go back, fold this part inside. Then you're going to top stitch. Round the bag. After top stitching round the bag, you're going to fold your bag into 2 equal parts. You pin the edges. You are pinning just to make sure that the bag is equal. After then, you're going to measure 6 inches. Mark 6 inches. I'm also going to mark 6 inches here. I'm going to roll that 6 inches back to this bottom side. You can see the line. I'm going to do the same here. I'm going to still measure 6 inches. You are done with your marking. You open your bag and you're going to stitch your bag on that marking. Fold your bag on that marking. You're going to top stitch on that marking. You're still going to fold this part the same way. I'm going to top stitch on that marking, so I'm still going to fold this. So we're going to top stitch. So guys, after stitching, then you want to fold this edge of your bag. This is where I top stitch. I'm going to fold this way. Use your pin to hold it down. Fold while maintaining this straight part of the bag. So while you are folding, watch out for your bag to still be in normal position. See, it's still straight. See, it's still straight. So this is where you want to stitch. You stitch. I'm stitching here from this handle part. After stitching, now you're going to fold this part. You're going to run a straight stitch. I didn't stitch this other part, I only stitched this part. Then you turn your bag and fold it to two equal parts. You're going to stitch straight down, and you will stitch straight down. Stitching the side of your bag. And you're going to turn the bag inside out. Then from this angle, you will measure 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches up. I'm going to do the same measurement here, 2.5. And you're going to fold the stitch. The stitch on that 2.5 inches. And we're going to cut it. Cutting from the back to the wrong side. We are going to stitch. I'm going to stitch. Stitching. You can turn the bag inside out. After that, grab your magnetic snap. We're going to fix one here. We're going to fix the other one here with the help of your needle and thread. This is it, guys. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment your opinion about this bag. Share this video to your friends and family. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video.